Hello everyone, this is Sid from Tech Biscuit, and today I'll tell you everything that you need to know about the Apple online store in India. So last week Apple launched their online store in India, from which we can buy any Apple product directly from there, which was not possible until now in India. So in future, whatever Apple will release on their website, we can directly purchase it from their website, which is www.apple.com/in for India/shop. It can be anything. It can be an iPhone, iPad, AirPods, or any other accessory. But the most interesting part is that they're offering some good experience, which you also get to experience. So let's talk about that. So one of the services they're providing on their website is one-on-one Apple session, which is basically whenever you buy a product, they will assign you an Apple expert for 30 minutes, which will help you to set up your device and also answer any queries or any question which you have regarding that device, which is amazing. Also, with their launch of online store in India, the delivery is just not limited to few selected cities, but they will deliver all over India. They are making this happen by using different courier services that will deliver at any location of India, and you can also opt in for contactless delivery, which is great in COVID-19 pandemic. All you have to do is just click on buy and do the payment. You can do payment via UPI, net banking, credit card, debit card, or anything. The next service is Apple trade-in program, which means if you have bought an iPhone in the past and you want to switch to a new model, so you can basically exchange your older model for the new model and it will give you a discount, so that you can pay less on for your new device. And this service is also available on Amazon and Flipkart, but I think Apple's way will be more controlled and it will give you better pricing. Now let's talk about Mac computers. So with the launch of their online store, you can now customize your MacBooks or Mac computers. The specification of the machine used to be logged in India. There was like one or two variants which you can choose to buy, but now you can customize if you want more RAM, if you want more hard disk space, if you want better processor, you can now do that. Apple also launched their customer service in two languages, which is Hindi and English. They have also added one more customization for your MacBooks, which is laser engraving. So you can get anything engraved on your back of your aluminium MacBook. Like it can be in Hindi, it can be in English, or any other language. This feature will be available in October or after October. The date is not confirmed, but it will be available once the iPhone 12 is launched. Apple also launched their Apple Care Plus service, which is basically Apple will fix anything on your device. It can be related to hardware, it can be related to software. Also, Apple Care Plus has a 2-year extended warranty feature, which you can opt in for. This is a great feature because no matter how good their devices is, the customer service should be top notch. With these services, Apple is trying to bring all the experience which they are providing in other countries like US or any other country, and they're bringing it to India, which is a great thing. Also, let's talk about discounts. So Apple is not providing any discounts right now apart from student discount. So if you're a student, you can opt in for student discounts. This doesn't mean if you're not a student, you cannot get it. If you're the parent of the student, or if you're a teacher, or if you're a lecturer in a college, or even a staff member in college, you can get a student discount on their website. Also, they can provide some offers in future, maybe like EMI offers, bank offers, or like festival sales or anything, but currently there is no discount on their products. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. So Apple is trying to match the pricing with all of their channels. Sometimes e-commerce websites charge you more for the product, so Apple will try to minimize that and use one single unified price for all the devices. So with this step, looks like Apple is going fully aggressive on the Indian market, and people will like it since there are a lot of Apple users in India. Let's see what they bring on the table by 2021. Let us know in the comments. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.